Yo, man, what's up with y'all, man? Y'all know who it is, your boy 84 Cutty. Yes, sir, aka Built on a Budget Junior. That's right. Hey, man, if you haven't already, man, go ahead and make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man, and turn on all post notification bells, dog. Hey, I know the last time I said I was back. Hey, but we back now, dog. Hey, I had a whole lot going on. I don't even know why I said I've been back. I thought I was back. But hey, I back now, though. You hear me? Yes, sir. Hey, man, I hope everybody doing good today out there, man. Yes, sir. Hey, pretty warm out there. Man, we keep getting rain. Man, y'all know what that means. So when the rain stop, it get hotter. Man, yeah, man. Y'all see, but we in the garage today, man. Hey, y'all see it? We on our, hey, I almost at curve. Hey, but we got our fly gear on. Huh? Yeah, we got our fly gear on. Nah, for real. Literally, our fly gear. Huh? Shout out Double Up Custom. Fly, huh? Y'all see it? Huh? Scan the QR code. Huh? Yes, sir. Y'all see it out there? Y'all see it? Original jump. Savage and Restore. Yes, sir. And he got the trucker hat out you. Huh? Fresh out you. Fly-ish. Yes, sir. Hey, man. Whew. But I've been busy, Bo. I've been busy. I ain't mean to leave y'all this long, but Bo, I've been busy. I've been handling family stuff. Y'all see, you had my wife graduation. Shout out to her. Shout out Tulu TV. And then, Friday gone, we had my daughter graduation. Yes, sir. Shout out her. Class 2025. 25. Yes, sir. Shout out class of 2025, man. Hey, man. Y'all did it, man. For real. But hey, man, we back on this wiring harness. Huh? Y'all see the junk hanging? This all from the bulkhead. Yes, sir. Y'all probably wondering why I still got wires hanging. Man, I wasn't able to touch nothing on this car at all, dog. But, man, let me show y'all where we left off at. Hey, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on all post notification bells. Let's get it. Man, look at it. But my car's still in the air from when I did the transmission shifter video. Tell y'all what, I ain't been out here doing nothing. I just ain't had time to, for real. Man, but let's get back to it. Now, as y'all see, we still got all this wiring, right? We had it figured out, y'all saw I started the car. I had the gas pedal hooked up on my bad, y'all. Hold up, let me get the tripod off the car because it's making the shit. Alright, but y'all saw all of it. So y'all saw I had everything working. So what I was doing right here was, I was actually trying to see how I could route it. You know what I mean? I got a couple wires on hook, like one injector wire, got cord pack wire on hook. But I was trying to see, man, but that joke got too short. Well, it's too short with me doing it this way, without having to take all of this apart. Basically taking this off the car, period, and rerouting it how I needed to go. So I was trying not to do all of it. Alright? So let me show y'all something else that I received, because I was doing all of this. You know what I mean? Y'all remember I had all the wires like this right here? Alright, it's no battery hooked up. That's why I can just throw them around like that. Ain't no power hooked up. So y'all had all the wires. I put the solder, all these wires right here into one, run it down to the fuse box. Y'all saw how I had it, huh? Had everything working, huh? Y'all saw me even rev it up for y'all. Yes, sir. Gas pedal been hooked up, tack module been hooked up, gauges been hooked up. I had oil pressure. I had RPM. Yes, sir. I had everything I need. I had temperature. I had all of it. Yes, sir. I had all that working. Then, guess what? Let me show y'all something. Hey, but yeah, man. Hey, I forgot to show y'all the front of the hat, man. Y'all see that fly again, man. Y'all remember how T.I. used to wear a hat? You don't know me. And how in the street, you ain't know me. Remember you ain't know me. Huh? Hey, y'all see it. Y'all better tap in with Fly. Double up custom. Y'all see it. Hey, tell y'all, man, I'm behind, man. But like I was saying with with me soldering, right? So now I had Mr. Bill. Y'all know Mr. Bill. Y'all know Mr. Bill. Huh? We call him Mr. Edge. Huh? Y'all know who I'm talking about. Tap in with him too. Yes, sir. Cause look what he got me. Yes, sir. A soldering magnifying lamp. Well, I really about to feel like an eye tech. Yeah, I'm about to feel like a fly eye tech out here. Yes, sir. I'm about to have to hook them up. Man, that joker got the alligator clips. Let's open them up and see what it got in here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come with some hardware. And even got a tool with it. Look at the clamps, y'all. Look at the alligator clips. Clamps, whatever it is. Yes, sir. You got that? I'm about to take all this stuff out. But these are the bars, I guess, for it. The poles, the plug. Y'all see it. Y'all can see me? Hey, talk to me. Let me clean it off a little bit. It was in the house, cold in the house, and then it get hot out here, and then it fog up on you. Know what I mean? Let me wipe it off for you, cause it was in the house. Y'all see it though? Y'all see it got the LED light? Let's see if I can find myself again. Maybe I got it back. Yes, sir. Still kind of foggy though. Yeah, man. Y'all see it? And there go the plate. Yes, sir. Hey. Fly. Let me put this down first, man. Cause I like to look y'all in your eye. Hey, my uncle always tell me, look him in the eye. Make sure you look the man, look a man in the eye, man. Ain't nothing but respect. You feel me? Alright, you got that. Oh yeah, this matter of fact, before I get on to that, he also sent a note, Mr. Bill. Yes, sir. Y'all see it? Appreciate you, Mr. Cameron, Mr. Bill, Mr. Cameron. Hey, shout out Fly, man. Hey, man, I appreciate y'all. That's what I wanted to say, man. I want to look in y'all eye and tell y'all I appreciate y'all. Cause that, I'ma definitely need. This, man, who don't want to stay fly? But I definitely ain't working in it. Hey, can't stay fly and be dirty at the same time. It don't work like that. You feel me? But I'm gonna cut y'all back on after this. Alright, so like I said, man, this right here is too short, man. It's not gonna run the way I need it to run. So, man, I had to go ahead and do it, y'all. I had to do it. And let me show y'all what I had to do. Yes, sir. I had to do it. Man, hey, shout out Mr. Built, man. I hit Mr. Built up. Say, Mr. Built. He called me. I said, hey, I need your help. But first I texted him. I said, Mr. Built, I need your help. He called me. I said, what you got, Junior? I said, man, Senior, man. You see my wire harness at work. I had everything working, but now it's time for me to route it, and it's coming up too short, and I'm not trying to take it all the way off the call to have to reroute it. So I need help finding the LS swap harness for a drive-by wire off of eBay. Yes, sir. Off of eBay. $100. Mr. Built searched it for me. I was searching it at the same time he was on the phone. He texted to me. I hit the link. There it is. There it is. Green and blue. Yes, sir. Fuse box. Yes, sir. Got our OBD2. Most of all, what we were looking for was these injectors. Plugs. Y'all see it? Cause on mine I got the Multec injectors. So I had to find the Multec injector plugs. Yes, sir. From the looks of it, everything there. So you might be alright. Mr. Bill, definitely gonna need it. Definitely gonna need that soldering, magnifying glass lamp. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, man. Like I said, man, this all right here started from me wanting to clean up under my, clean up my engine bay, man. This right here actually was supposed to been on before my daughter's graduation. I got it in time and all of that, but JY Performance, I don't know. Oh, and it also comes with instructions too. It comes with PSI instructions. I don't know, but we'll see. But yeah, man, I was actually supposed to put it on before. I was supposed to have all this done before the graduation, because that was my purpose. It came in way before. I just didn't have time, man, trying to make sure everything was straight for company. You know what I mean? So yeah, y'all see where we at with it. We about to take all of this out, put a new one on. I don't know what I'm gonna have to keep as far as my relays. I ain't read too much on it yet as far as what's what. You know what I mean? I did read a little bit of the instructions, you know what I mean, as far as like how to route it, because it tells you how to route it and all. Just like Willie Rebuild said, all you gotta do is follow the instruction. Willie Rebuild and 87SS. Hey, that's where I started my wiring from, man. Real, man. Y'all tap in with those guys. Tap in with Fly, Double Up Custom, Mr. Edge, Mr. Bill. They're the same people. Who else I said? Built on the budget. Shout out to Mr. Built, man. Shout out Mr. Built. Hey, Mr. Built trying to get outside. Y'all see it? Y'all see Mr. Built trying to get outside? Yes, sir. Shout out Mr. Built. But yeah, man. Like I said, shout out Willie Rebuild and shout out 87SS boy, man. Shout out everybody though. For real, for real. Shout out all the supporters. Shout out all of my supporters. Hey, shout out my members. Hey, members. I appreciate y'all, man. For real, for real. I know I ain't make no member only video yet, but I'm gonna get around to it. For real. I am gonna get around to making a member only video. For real. Shout out y'all, man. Shout out y'all rocking with me this long, man. But yeah, man, I wanted to come back, man, show y'all a couple of things that I received. This ain't it. I got a lot more that I received, but this how we coming back. Coming back just like this right here, man. We about to clean up this engine bay like we started, but now we got a new harness so we can run everything different. Hide these wires. Yeah. Hopefully my eBay $100 LS swap harness work. Hopefully. Cross y'all fingers, man. Yeah, man. Hey. Let's get outside, man. Shit, I'm back. I'm back. If y'all ain't been outside, hey man, let's get outside, man. I know it's hot, so make sure y'all stay hydrated, man. But I'm definitely trying to be back out. side, cause like I said, man, graduations, man, and I had 2 of them back to back almost. Hey, that joker weighed me out. I'm tired, bro. But like I said, man, I'm gonna try to get back out here, man. I gotta get back out here, man. Y'all see my doggone car down hitting the shoulder lean out you. Yes, sir. Tell y'all, man, still in the air from the last video, man. I ain't had time to do nothing. But we gonna get back to it for real, man. We gonna get back to it. Hey, man, like I said, man, I appreciate each and every one of y'all, man. For real, man. Hey, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Subscribe to the channel. Hey, and if you ain't a member, man, go ahead and hit that member button, man. Join the BA. Join the Rocket team, man. Y'all see it, man. The Rockets for the Oldsmobiles, man. Yes, sir. That's not you don't have to drive an Oldsmobile to be on the Rocket team. That's just cause I got an Oldsmobile, you know what I mean? And then my Oldsmobile named Sparrow. So we always flying out here. Y'all see it. Tap in with Fly, man. Tap in with everybody that I mentioned earlier, man. Y'all see it. Yes, sir, man. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, man. To the next one, man. Y'all know what y'all are supposed to do. Stay locked.
That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we riding on the beat. Tim sun dark, you can't see the seats. L swap Cutlass. I call him Sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car Sparrow on the damn move again.